Hi, today I am making tea cake, eggless, no egg, only vegetarian. Come on now. See my butter, because the butter should be very soft and room temperature only. All the things only on room temperature. Now I beat the butter. See, it's not even working. Wait, beat the butter, just fluffy. Castor sugar. It's not even coming here. All the time it happened like that only. I don't know why. Perfect. This is also room temperature. Like this. Yeah. Now add the milkmaid. And we have to beat little to mix it. Okay. You slowly you have to add. Otherwise it will be This maida, already I put the baking powder. Okay, now we have to see. Main tip is only you have to keep on a room temperature. That's all. Okay, very easy. Dig. That's all. See now consistency. This is the cake pan. Now you have to pour it properly. Okay, see. This I'll clip like this only. My daughter will eat. She likes this one. Okay. See, already I preheated the oven 180 degrees Celsius. Okay. Yes. Close. Yes. Ready.